This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22 is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, stove top burner, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22HE is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton V8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.